Everyone, in this video I'm going to solve a problem from probability. The question is, let E1, E2 and E3 are mutually exclusive events such that P of Ei equals to P of I for I equals to 1 to 3 and so on. I equals to 1 to 3. Also P1, P2 and P3 are roots of the equation of 27x cube minus 27x square plus ax minus 1 equals to 0. Then find the value of P of E1 intersection E2 bar plus P of E2 intersection E3 bar plus P of E3 intersection E1 bar. So first what is given? P of Ei equals to Pi for I equals to 1, 2, 3. So from this what we can write? P of E1 equals to P1 plus, P of E2 equals to P2, P of E3 equals to P3. Next what? Here is specified mutually exclusive events. Given E1, comma, E2 and E3 are mutually exclusive events. Okay. So therefore what we can write? E1 intersection E2 equals to E1. 5. Because E1 and E2 are mutually exclusive. That means no common values between them. Therefore, what we can write? E1 intersection E2 bar is equals to E1. Here E2 bar is nothing but E2 event does not happen. That's why what is left here? E1 left. That's why we will get E1. So what they asked to find? This P of E1 intersection E2 bar plus P of E2 intersection E3 bar plus P of E3 intersection E1 bar is equals to what you will get? For this you will get P of E1 plus P of E2 plus P of E3. But here what we know? P of E1 is P1 plus P of E2 equals to P2 plus P of E3 equals to P3. But what we know? Sum of all probabilities is 1. Is 1. That implies P1 plus P2 plus P3 equals to 1. Okay? Equals to 1. Okay? And one more is given. What? Given that P1, P2 and P3 are roots of a cubic equation 27x cube minus 27x square plus ax plus 1 equals to 0. So what are the rules or formulas we have for the roots of cubic equation? Sum of roots equals to P1 plus P2 plus P3, which is equals to 1. Next, one more is there, that is product of roots is equals to minus d by a. Here d equals to minus 1, a equals to 27. So what you will get? Minus of minus 1 by 27, which is equals to 1 by 27. Okay, and this can be written as 1 by 3 cube, right? And if you take the average, or so take average of roots equals to p1 plus p2 plus p3 by 3 is equals to what? You will get 1 by 3, right? So this what we can write? P1 p2 p3 equals to 1 by 3 cube, and this becomes p1 p2 p3 whole power 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. So from this what we can say? Both are equal. So p1 plus p2 plus p3 by 3 is equals to p1 p2 p3 whole power 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3, right? When you will get in this way, if p1 p2 p3 are equal, therefore p1 equals to p2 equals to p3 is equals to 1 by 3, right? Otherwise substitute in any of these, you substitute 1 by 3, what you will get? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. In this let us substitute by 3 is equals to 1 by 3 we must get, which is equals to this, what you will get? 3 by 3 by 3 is equals to this is 1 by 3. Got that? So when you will get means, if all the three roots are equal, then you will get p of 1 by 3. So as the probability of the three events are equal, as the probability of three events is equal, then we can say them are as equally likely, equally likely and exhaustive events. Okay. Here actually what is equally likely means, equally likely is nothing but whatever the probabilities you have for each event, they're having their own chances, right? Even has to even must be happen means you are having one choice. E2 is for 1, E3 is 1, right? So like that all are equal means we can say them as equally likely. And also exhaustive is nothing but if you add all the events you will get the sample space. Okay, exhaustive events are nothing but if you add all the, that means union of all the probabilities you got is equals to the starting sample space, then we can say that event as, let us write that form definitions. Equally likely means each event will have same chances to take place. And exhaustive is nothing but events. If the probability of the events are added or union, we get sample space. then we can say those events as exhaustive events. Okay, understood? Okay, so this is the way of solving the problem. Okay, understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.